Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at Advanced Energy Industries, Inc. It's ticker AEIS. Now, AEIS has earnings coming up on February the 8th. And as you can see, it's just kind of been chopping around sideways, been basically just going sideways for well over a year, about a year and a half, and it keeps bumping up against this clear resistance level right around 96 bucks. Right there, right there, right there. Big pullback, right back to it. Rejection, right back to the lows, and like a magnet, right back to resistance here. And so this is a pretty key level. And with earnings coming up, I'm wondering if there may be a little bit of an earnings run fueled by a potential short squeeze. I was on MarketSmith a moment ago looking at AEIS, and as you can see here from MarketSmith, there's 10 days of short interest. So it's going to take the shorts a lot of volume to cover. And the thing is, this kind of has a little bit of a small float, only 36 million in the float. So I don't know if there's potential for a short squeeze here, but it has some of the right ingredients. It's at a pretty clear level of resistance. If I was a short and I didn't cover yet, a break above this level would probably force me to do so. So definitely an area of interest that I'm looking at here for AEIS. I'm going to set an alert on my chart platform right around that 96.17 zone and look for a strong move coming on volume. Now, because this does have a small float, probably going to have a bit of a wide spread. So you may want to watch your size on this, but definitely a stock that I'm watching for a break above that $96 level. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.